Dum aloo is one of those ultimate comfort foods that we all love. Today at Ranna Roshmita, we are making a true classic from the Wazwan cuisine, Kashmiri Dum Aloo. No onions, garlic or tomatoes in this recipe, but trust us, the flavors are so divine they will transport you straight to the beautiful valleys of Kashmir. We are kicking things off with our star ingredients, potatoes that are peeled and cleaned. First off, we will poke them with a fork. This little trick lets all the flavors of the gravy seep into the potatoes while they cook. Now, heat up some mustard oil in a pan until it's smoking hot. Toss the potatoes in with a pinch of salt. This helps stop the oil from spattering everywhere. Give it a stir and coat the potatoes with the oil. Cover the pan and fry the potatoes on a low flame for about 7 to 8 minutes. You want them to be halfway cooked with a nice golden brown crust. Once they are done, set them aside on a plate. Next up, we will make the gravy. In a bowl, take some fresh yogurt. Make sure it's not too sour. Kashmiri chili powder for that gorgeous red color and mild heat. Fennel seed powder and dry ginger powder. Also, add some besan. The besan helps keep the yogurt from splitting when it heats up. Whisk until they are smooth and lumps free. Now, heat some mustard oil in a pan or a kadhai on medium heat. Time to temper the oil. Start with a pinch of hing, followed by some Shahi Jeera, a small piece of mace, a cinnamon stick, a couple of cloves, black cardamom, and a spoonful of Kashmiri chili powder. Give it a good stir to release those fragrant flavors and the rich red hue into the oil. Once the oil is infused, slowly add the yogurt mixture we had made earlier. Be sure the heat is low to avoid splitting the yogurt. Rinse out the bowl with little water and add it to the gravy. Keep stirring to make sure nothing sticks or burns. Cook it just right so the spices bloom without turning bitter. Add salt to taste. When the gravy comes to a boil, cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After that, you will see the oil separates from the gravy. That's how you know it's done. Now, gently slide those fried potatoes into the gravy, stirring to coat them well. Then, add a bit of warm water to adjust the consistency and allow the potatoes to fully cook. This is where the magic happens, the dum part of the recipe, where the potatoes soak up all those amazing flavors. Cover and let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, remove the lid and you will see the gravy has reduced and become even more flavorful. Taste the potatoes by cutting one with a spoon to check if they are perfectly cooked. And there you have it, rich, spicy, absolutely mouth-watering Kashmiri Dum Aloo made without any onion, garlic or tomatoes. Serve them with steamed rice or naan and we guarantee this dish will be a hit at your dinner table. Give it a like if you love this recipe and until next time, happy cooking!